Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a restraining order in Florida. Start by locating the county courthouse and collecting photos, texts, police reports, and witness names. Organize dates and locations. Next, complete the petition forms at the clerk's office or online and draft a factual affidavit that outlines each incident clearly. Ask the clerk about filing fees and fee waivers and prepare for an ex parte hearing if immediate protection is needed. Prepare for the filing and hearing by reviewing forms and bringing organized evidence to court. File the petition and ask for a temporary restraining order at the clerk's office if danger is immediate. Attend the ex parte hearing and present concise facts and exhibits to the judge. If the judge grants temporary relief, ensure the respondent is legally served with paperwork so the final hearing can proceed without service issues. For the final hearing, arrive prepared with witnesses, original documents, and timelines to present a clear narrative. Ask for precise protections such as no contact, set distances, or temporary custody if applicable, and specify any property or residence orders. If the judge issues a final injunction, immediately get certified copies from the clerk and distribute them to local law enforcement, workplaces, and schools so the order can be enforced if violated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.